bersama Kementerian Lingkungan Hidup dan Kehutanan, disupport oleh UNIDO, badan khusus PBB yang bertugas mempromosikan pengembangan industri, menyelenggarakan acara The First Indonesia International Workshop on Polychlorinated Biphenyls Management. Acara ini dihadiri oleh perwakilan pemerintah, delegasi UNIDO, dan ekspert dari dalam negeri dan mancanegara, serta industri pengelolaan limbah. Selain panel diskusi, dalam acara ini juga diadakan pameran PCBs dan kunjungan ke fasilitas pengelolaan PCBs di PPLI.
Welcome to the first Indonesia International Workshop on Polychlorinated Biphenyls Management. Please give applause to start our event.
And the support we got from the Global Environment Facility is more than $100 million grants.
And so far, we've allocated JEF donor resources of about $525 million.
Penyelenggaraan workshop ini merupakan bagian dari seremonial penutupan pelaksanaan proyek yang cukup sukses, yaitu Introduction of an Environmentally Sound Management and Disposal System for PCB Waste and PCB Contaminated Equipment.
Thank you, Ibu Fifin. And now the first Indonesia International Workshop on Polychlorinated Biphenyls. All right, thank you very much.
Hey! 1 and 2 and 3.
Tahun 2025 Indonesia sudah akan melarang penggunaan PCBs.
Our session title, Harnessing Sound Management of PCBs.
We did the inventory of the PCBs through various means, through primary data collections.
So when we started this facility, which is located in an industrial park,
analysis does not include the cost of disposal of existing transfer.
Ladies and gentlemen, what about one more applause to our panelists?
We will start with the second session of the workshop.
Dipakai untuk apa? Sektor kelistrikan dan sektor manufaktur, ya.
First, the COVID-19. Although it sounds very typical, but it is. We lost 2 years to install the facility.
First, when we receive the PCB, we do the verification about the waste that we receive.
For your time and your effort to come here.
How much PCB is left out there? Is the capacity, local capacity, enough to deal with this waste?
I think one of the lessons learned in all this PCB journey that we have had.
You really get going on the disposal part in the last couple of years of the project because it took so long to set it up in the first place.
Great panels here.
So KC300 is used is non-carbon paper.
PCBs compounds are still found in aquatic environment, even in low concentration.
Food is from exposure normally 90% of PCBs.
Overview the concentration of PCBs in biota representing different trophic levels.
Thank you very much for your support.